I want to show you why this little powerhouse earned every one of its 5 stars. It's small, smart, and ready for anything. It has an LED screen. Push. It shows battery level, real time, and the pressure. It has accessories that you can plug right into this, and this screws right onto here, right on the top. While I'm up here, here are the lights that turn on: flashlight, red light, and then the SOS. Push that light again. It has a jump starter that you can jump start it right here. And this goes right in the side, right over here. And when you plug this in, you can see that the lights turn on. See the lights? Right there. It's an air compressor for cars, for motorcycles, for motorbikes, for bicycles, for pool toys, for air mattresses. It has a 1-year guarantee. You need to keep the machine charged at least 70% all the time. You can reach out to the company. They put their little codes everywhere. It has a warranty for at least a year. And this is the case that you keep it in the car. And all the parts just go right in there so easily. They slip right in. Hard cover. The thing is marvelous, and I think you will really like it if you get it. So I really encourage you to get this because it is a win-win and 5 stars in my book.
Buddy, doing a quick review on this product here. So this WND, it is confusing to operate. I think that well says it. When you turn it on, it comes like this, and there's no way that I understand or I've been able to figure out how to switch it to PSI. It only works in PSI if I cycle it to basketball. So that, and even then, okay, great, it only goes up to 16 pounds. So that's the thing I dislike the most about it. However, setting it to auto, car, real easy translation here. 2.5 equals 25 PSI. So if you set it to 35 or 3.5, that's 35 pounds. The instructions are vague at best. To air up tires, I aired up some wagon tires. I definitely like it for that. So I'm going to give it 5, but seriously, the manufacturer could do a better job of making this easier to operate. Now, if anybody knows how to switch this to PSI in this setting right here where the car is, please post the video and let us know because there's hardly any information about this product.